If you are using a Samsung Smart TV, there is a good chance you are not getting the best performance, the best picture quality, and the best experience. Your TV shouldn't be on throughout the night whilst you fall asleep watching a movie or a program. To do that, you have to set auto power off. Let me show you how to do that. Go to Settings, All Settings. Then you go to General and Privacy. Scroll down to Power and Energy Saving. Then scroll down to Auto Power Off. Now when you click on this, you get the option to select hours. So it means if you don't interact with your TV or if you don't press on the remote for a time range of, let's say, 4 hours, 6 hours, or 8 hours, the TV should automatically turn off. So select your preferred hours and check that. I'm okay with 4 hours. This means if I leave my remote and TV idle for 4 hours, the TV should automatically turn off by itself. Customize picture mode. So Samsung gave about 5 picture modes that you can select based on your preference. To do that, you have to go to Settings again. All Settings, Picture, then you click on Picture Mode. Here we have Dynamic, we have Standard, we have Echo, Movie, and so on. So each one of them has its own brightness, contrast, and all of that. So you can go through the modes that you are okay and select the one that you prefer. I'm okay with the Dynamic, so I'm sticking to the Dynamic. Turn off power saving mode. This normally reduces the picture quality and also makes it dimmer. To do that, go to Settings. Go to All Settings. Scroll down to General and Privacy. Look for Power and Energy Saving, then click on it. So I have mine turned off. If yours is on, this is how it will look like. You see it's now dim. So when you click on it to turn it off, you have a brighter picture. Even though it saves energy, but then it makes the picture quality poor.